Alright guys, this is the last of my deluxe Lakewood box fans. This is a 1971 Windsor model P-42. I have the stand for it out in the garage, but the stand is missing a wheel. I can't find some of the things to put it back together with, so this thing's stand is pretty much a lost cause. But it's been missing a wheel ever since I got it. This fan is cosmetically in pretty rough shape, but it runs like brand new. It's got some rust. It's got nice grills and everything, but it's rusty. I'm assuming the only reason the grills are nice is because it was on a stand. It's a bit harder to beat up that way. Plenty of rust on the bottom. At least the model sticker's still there. Let me see if I can get a close-up of that. There we are. It runs really, really good. It really sucks that the thing's Windsor badge is gone. That kind of ticked me off. You can see the sticker's not there, but the only way I actually found out this fan was a Windsor was what's left of the glue. You can clearly tell that it's like Windsor there. This fan was a scrap find. It was about to go to the scrap yard in a couple hours when I got there, in the back of a guy's scrap truck, and I ended up with it. Really glad I saved it. These things are rare. It's hard to find a P-42. You see some P-48s and some P-23s, but you don't see a lot of the, as I call them, the middle guy fans. The ones that would have been middle cost. They're still a deluxe fan. They still would have been considered a deluxe fan, but they just are a bit more basic than like a P-48 would be, such as they don't have a penthouse control. Although they do have a push-button switch and a very large handle. See, it's still got the thermal control and all that stuff, but the thermal control works on this fan. You can see it is set for low, though. The thermostat will turn it off and turn it on, but it won't cycle the fan. It kind of sucks. Let's flip to the back. Tell you what, that giant handle makes this thing easy to grab. I think they put that giant handle on it so you could grab this thing with two hands, because it weighs a ton. The P-48s, of course, would have had that kind of belt handle they used. I don't like those handles. I think they break too easy. You see this thing uses a giant Macmillan motor. The stator is like this thick. The thing's huge. It says 2.8 amps on the motor sticker and the bottom of the fan, but upon testing it really draws 3, which you guys will see. So here's low. Stand off to the side first so you guys can hear it run. It's got a very slight startup sound, not much. Now I've put these blades on a normal Macmillan motor Lakewood, and they have trouble running them. They run slow. They're too steeply pitched. It's a fan I don't use much, although I do have some plans to restore it in the next couple months here, because they are hard to find. Maybe I'll use it some once it's restored. For now, it's just too ugly to use anywhere. Alright, on low we're drawing 1.45 amps. Go to medium, which is the brown button. See, it's a pretty smooth running fan, so you get to high and high, it shakes a little. It's got all 4 of its rubber feet, so it's not stand. On medium it draws 1.87 amp, and then here's high. So on high it's got quite the motor hum, but it runs real good still. I've used it on high for several hours. The motor doesn't get too hot or anything. It runs fine. I don't think this fan's going to die anytime soon. I think it's going to be around for a while. And on high, this thing moves some wicked air. It's an insane powerful fan. And on high, we're drawing 2.97 amps, so you might as well say 3. You can see it's shaking all over the place. Alright, now let's do watts. On high, we got 214 watts. 142, like 141 watts, and then low. It does a bit less watts than I thought it would, 110. Alright, lean it back, go back up to high, and then we'll shut it off. This fan's definitely a good foundation to start a restoration with. It's a good solid fan still. It runs really, really good. I'm not worried about the balance issues. They're not bad enough to worry about. When the thing is on its stand, the whole thing rattles though, so that's kind of irritating. But I don't have plans of this thing being on its stand. I probably won't even restore the stand with the fan. I'll probably just put the stand off somewhere. Because the stands take up a bunch of room, and I already have a vintage Lakewood on a stand, which you guys will see at some point. It's a fan I already had, but I found a factory stand to go with it. Anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a review of this fan when I get around to restoring it.